Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today we'll be doing the final challenge prompt for this month, those words being outer space. Am I gonna need a space helmet? Because I don't even think I have a regular helmet. So coming into this piece, I was trying to decide if I wanted to go really cartoony and make like an alien in a spacecraft, or if I wanted to go with something more like, I guess, landscape shot. I ended up going with the more literal sense of the word outer space, and I made this piece here with two planets in view with massive bursts of light coming from them. I wanted it to look as though some sort of laser was either shooting through them, or that the planet was showing off this massive burst of light on its own. That way, you guys can kind of make up your own narrative of this piece and what's going on. But I am going to be quiet, I'll let you guys enjoy this final bit, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the words outer space. Now I think this turned out really good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right in the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!